Instagram now lets you rearrange your profile grid. So first, you need to make sure that your Instagram app is updated to its latest version and launch it. Log into your specific account, and then after, go to your profile. Tap on your profile picture, and now select Edit Profile from this page. Then scroll down, and there you'll see the option of Reorder Grid. That is between banners and gender. Go ahead and select it. And now you can drag and drop your posts to arrange them however you like. If you made a mistake, you can tap Undo in the top right corner. Tap the back arrow in the top left corner to see your new grid on the profile. You can rearrange your grid again whenever you want. So that's all there is to reordering your Instagram profile grid. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.